Hey guys, for today's video, we're going to be talking about the new Opulence Pat Mcgrath glosses. Here we go. Here we got the little bad boys. They come in 3 shades, but these bad boys are kind of expensive. So, we have the first shade, which is Lavendering, which is the purple glitter gloss. Then we have Dreamscape, which is almost like a gold... What is it? It looks like a gold red shift to it. And then this one is Naked Rose, which is like a rose gold. So like a rose gold. But I did not expect these to be... Let's just say these were interesting. If you want to keep watching, go ahead. But yeah, guys, let's get into it. So the first shade is going to be Lavendering. I was so excited for this shade. I love purple anything, right? But this was like weird because it was like a purple, shift to yellow, shift to green, shift to red. And I was like, I do not like that. And then it was just too glittery. Like, I'm going to apply this so you guys can see it, but this is like, oh my god, my lips are dry. This was like so glittery that it looked metallic, like oh my lord, that is crazy. Like, I feel like this is good for like a photo shoot, but like this is just too crazy for me. Like, oh my god. Like, damn, that's crazy. But, and I hate when glitter gathers up over here. It looks so nasty. But the more I look at it, it's actually super pretty. But I want to see if I can like do one coat and kind of like blend it out with my finger and see how that looks. Because right now, that is too much. So every time I like put it on, there's like still glitter left. So I'm going to do one dot and see if I can spread it out. I'll just do like a little bit, like right there. And then see if that like shares out really well. Yeah, see, that's pretty. See, I like that. So, I mean, if I use it like this, it'll last me a really long time, but that other way... too crazy, man. Too crazy. I wonder if you can use this as a highlight. Should I try it? I'm gonna try it. Oh my god. The thing with this though, it leaves glitter all over your face. All over. I'm gonna have to like oil cleanse for this. So I'm gonna have to put it on my cheek, see what that looks like. Oh, I forgot. Because it is purple, it's like leaving like that purple cast. Oh my god, tell me that's such a good highlight. Huh? Huh? What the heck? Like, it's super glittery, but... Do you see that? See that showing? That's juicy. That's what I call juicy couture. No gloss on the cheek. That actually looks so good. What the heck? Oh my god. Good to know that I might use it for gloss. But I don't think you can use it on foundation skin. You have to use it on bare skin. But that's a good thing to know. Okay, so the purple one was the only one I didn't like, which is so sad because this one was the one I wanted to love. But I guess I can dot it a little bit. These two are super pretty. This is the Dreamscape. This is the orange gold. It's like a fire gold. This one's super pretty. This one I can I feel like I can... I guess I don't have to put that much. I can put a little bit more than the purple one. Yeah, that's pretty. Got a really nice shine to it. Let's try that on the cheek. See what that looks like. Now that I discovered a secret, Mama Pat's secret formula. You have to blend it out though, because if you look straight on, that sheet is dark. Look at that. Very dark. So just blend that out a little bit. I'd probably recommend using your finger because this gloss is thick. Very thick. Double C with a Q. Just like that. I like to take my highlight pretty close to the thing so it gives that natural like wet look. Like that. Cool. So that's really pretty. Dude, that almost looks like just wet. It just looks wet. Wow. What? That's beautiful. Okay. On to gloss number 3. I think gloss number 3 is probably my favorite. I think it's like called Vintage Rose or something. Oh. Okay, so what is it called? Oh, Naked Rose, my bad. Not Vintage Rose. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so this one is like the rose gold. This one actually looks like really good on my lips, like if I just put it all over. But I want to see it just like sheared out. Okay, so I definitely put too much. But I still really like this color because it blends in with my lips. And makes it look very juicy. Oh, I didn't put it over here. Okay, let's try that. Oh, that is red. Maybe that could be like a blush topper. So it's just massage. Oh yeah, that's very red. Very red. So maybe if I went a little bit lighter, it would look a little bit like you get a nice flush, but I feel like I added too much and it's just too much right now. Oh, I wonder if I add it on the tip of my nose, it would look cute. Because I like when people have like, they put blush on their nose and then they put like a lot of highlight on it. I like that. I'm just gonna coat my nose. I kind of like that. That's cute. That's cute. But yeah, this one's probably my favorite out of the 3. It is a comfortable formula. I have tried her. Where is it? I think it's just her. Oh, it's a Lust gloss because this is the OPULUST gloss, and then I think like her regular one is just the Lust gloss. But that formula is super good. I love it. So for those of you that don't know, I am starting my own cosmetic brand, and I take a lot of inspiration from Pat Mcgrath, from my glosses, and yeah, I'm very inspired by her eyeshadows, and that is how I want to make like mine next. I just need to figure out how to formulate, like where to do it and stuff, but that is my mission, you know? So I'm super excited for my journey. But yeah, guys. Oh, if you guys wanted to see the 2 looks I did, this was a halo eye, but I think I just erased it. This is a green smoky eye. I use the Natasha Denona Mini Retro palette. If you guys want to check that out, I'm going to leave it up here. But other than that, guys, I really do... At first, I did not like these. I was going to go into this video being like, no. Trash, waste of money. But honestly, I like these as a highlighter. They actually look pretty cool. This purple one sheared out really good. Like, it left no purple cast. This one, the Dreamscape, also sheared out really good. It looked clear with a wet sheen to it. The only one I'd be concerned about is Naked Rose because it is like more pink. So I would just be careful. Probably put less if you are going to use it as like just like a wet look for natural skin. But I would recommend if you're going to use these are super glittery. Like, oh my lord. Oh my lord. So I would just say use like literally a drop right here and then like spread it with your finger, and then kind of just like press it in your lips, and it'll give you like a nice glimmer. But if you use straight, like boom, 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 it's just gonna leave your lips looking metallic, and I don't like that look. But if you do, go ahead. You would love these. But if you just want a little bit of glimmer, yeah, definitely just tap it on, and it would look so beautiful. But yeah, guys. Oh, did I even tell you the price? This is $25 in Sephora. I think it's still available. Let me check, because there's 3 shades, and it's $25 each, so let's do some math, because I think these are pretty expensive, because what I'm doing now for my review video things, first impression, I'm trying to tell you guys the price per gram, because I like to make that universally told in all my videos now. So, if there's 3 shades, there's 25 in each, there's 0.5 grams in each one, so that's 0.05 times 3, so that's 0.15 grams, and then I'm going to divide 25 divided by 0.15, that doesn't make sense, $25 divided by, yeah, right, 25 divided by 0.25, that doesn't make sense, 100, why did it give me 100? Hold on, let me do some math and I'll be back. Hold on. Alrighty, guys. So I figured it out. We have $25 for all 3. Each one has 1.6 milliliters in here. So altogether, that's going to be 4.8 milliliters. And if you divide 25 by 4.8, it's going to be $5.21 per milliliter, which, let's do some more math, because her original ones are like 30 bucks, I think. And that can be a lot. Let's check. Sephora. $28 for... Okay, so I don't know about the big one because it's in ounces, but I'm sure the big one is cheaper for like how much you get. But yeah, $5. That's a lot. That's a lot. The more I do like these videos, you're gonna see like what an average like per milliliter per gram is gonna be. So the more I do these, you'll kind of start to get the hang of it. But that's how I like to look at things. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know which gloss you liked more. I'll try to insert swatches of the glosses here in under light and stuff so you can see it. But yeah, guys, let me know which one's your favorite. And if you want, you can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat. I'll leave everything down below so you can check it out. I'm mostly active on Instagram, so definitely hit me up there. But yeah, guys, I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and I love you guys.